Hey there, today we are talking about AI and how you can use them in a game. So let's start with the first AI right away. So the first AI will be DALL-E. Here you can type in any text and it will generate some pictures. From here you can choose one picture and generate similar pictures. Of course, these ones are not ready to use in a game, but they are great inspirations and you can download them and edit them in Photoshop or similar photo editing software. So the second one will be Sloyd.ai. Here you can generate 3D objects, like this raft. You can customize these objects in a certain way, and you can also export it as an OBJ file and import it in Blender for further customization. The only downside is it will be exported as one object, so you cannot customize the sail or other parts alone. You have to cut it in Blender so that you have different game objects in your game which you can influence. So the next one will be Scenario. With this, you can also create images from text. You can choose from different generators to get different styles from your images. You can also upload images to get a similar style. I think this one is pretty good if you need some background images for some 2D games, or if you need some images which you can hang on a wall in a 3D game. The next one is the most popular, ChatGPT. Here you can paste in some code and tell it to explain the code to you. And you can ask for changes for the code. Or if you want to, you can ask for any code you want. ChatGPT is really cool, but you also have to ask the right questions. In my opinion, it is not ready to make a whole game, but maybe we will try that. The last AI is SoundDraw. Here you can create really cool background music for your games. You can choose between instruments, mood, themes and tempo. You can also edit the generations online to get more faster parts or more slower parts, just as you like. I think these ones are pretty good for background music. So, I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to watch more tutorials and I'm sure I see you in the next.